Hi, my name is Regina Brandow. My target audience is New York State legislators. Today I am talking about supported decision making. In the state of New York, a person with a disability sometimes may have an impairment that that person needs assistance in making decisions. And in the state of New York, there is a guardianship petition. It's called a 17A. The 17A guardianship was promulgated a number of years ago, and actually it still contains very archaic language, such as mental retardation within the petition and so forth. And unfortunately, the statute, how it was derived, is that the guardianship is a blanketed guardianship where the individual that requires some assistance in decision making is actually deemed incapacitated or unable to make decisions for themselves day to day. And I find that people, all walks of life, need a supported decision making. And the 17A guardianship essentially takes that away, and parents and or individuals are very reluctant to participate in that type of process, rightly so. And I will just tell you, the 17A, what I like about the 17A is that parents can file, or individuals can file with their parents for that guardianship, and they can do it themselves, and they don't need an attorney to do that. So that's a huge cost saving. Unfortunately, there is another guardianship proceeding, which is the Article 81 under the mental hygiene law in New York State, where you can pick and choose for decisions. It's almost like a Chinese menu. So if somebody needs help in making certain medical decisions for themselves, then they'll be appointed a guardianship. That in itself is a much more user-friendly guardianship for the individual while keeping their own independence and autonomy as much as possible. Unfortunately, with that type of guardianship, you have to file it in Supreme Court, and the cost is astronomical to individuals and their families. Minimum retainers are usually about more than $6,000 to $7,000, and that's just the initial retainer. I would like to see a statute that is derived where it would be open to individuals and their families, where they choose to have assistance where decision making, and where it would be accessible to these same families, and it would not cost them an arm and a leg. Thank you.